Wear your heart on your sleeve. Do you know someone who shows their emotions openly and never hides what they're feeling? A great way to describe this person is to say that he or she wears their heart on their sleeve. This saying might come from way back in the Middle Ages. Knights sometimes wore a symbol or a piece of cloth on their sleeve to represent a lady they liked. It was a way to openly show their feelings for everyone to see. To say this about a person is neither praise nor criticism. It's an observation that the person always lets you know what they feel inside. It's more likely to be a positive remark than a negative one. Here are some typical examples. Jack always talks about his feelings and doesn't hide if he's sad, happy, or angry. You can say Jack wears his heart on his sleeve. Judy cries easily and doesn't try to hide her tears when she watches a sad movie. You can say, Judy wears her heart on her sleeve. You always know when Bill is excited, nervous, or in love. You might comment, Bill always wears his heart on his sleeve. English is a rich language with many idioms and phrases. Using them will make your English sound more natural and colorful. So how about you? Do you wear your heart on your sleeve, or do you play your cards close to your chest? To discover many other easy-to-use phrases, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.